This is the first of two videos where I'm going to talk about logs. This is about the definition of logs, and the next video is going to be about log properties, at least the ones you need to know for the ACT. Now, I spent a great deal of time in the book talking about how to do these problems on a calculator, on a graphing calculator. Take a look at that if you're so inclined. However, there are times you can't do these in a graphing calculator, and this is relatively simple to learn. It shows up on about half a tests-ish. It's a good point to get. They're asking you to solve this log. Now, there's three parts to every log. 4 is your base. The little number at the bottom is your base. We'll go into what all these mean in a second. 64, I call this the target number. That's my own phrasing. Target number. And x is the exponent. The exponent. So really, to solve these, what I think works best is to take this out of log and put this back into exponential notation. What logs are is a way to express exponents. It really is. So let's do that. 4 is the base. So 4. X is the exponent. 4 to the x power. Oops. That x is supposed to be green, isn't it? Or she. However you want to gender your variable. And it's equal to the target number of 64. Now from here, you can just kind of figure it out, right? 4 to what power is equal to 64? Well, you multiply 4 times 4 in your calculator, you'll get 16. That's 4 squared. Times 4 is 64. So 4 to the third is equal to 64. Therefore, x is equal to 3. How do I do these? Again, I like to convert these from log to exponent and then solve. And what you'll see is these are usually very common sense. These are usually very commonsensical problems. You don't have to do a lot of really deep thinking. This is about as tricky as they get with the actual arithmetic. So just remember that stuff and you'll be golden on more than half of log problems, because more than half of log problems are based on the definition of logs. Check out the video on log properties. Again, that's going to be really simple stuff. It'll be easy to remember, and it's definitely worth it if you want that point, if you're trying to get those high scores.